What is one of the most common complaints I hear as a dermatologist in the office? It's gravity and the effects that it has on our faces. People are so bothered by this sagging and drooping that happens with age. We're bothered by the jowls. We're bothered by this heaviness that happens and almost inevitable as we get a little bit older. So how can we deal with this? How can we help? I'm so excited to introduce the latest upgrade to the Ulthera system, the Ulthera Prime. This is the latest technology and the newest generation in skin tightening. Ulthera, in fact, is the only non-invasive, non-surgical approach to lifting and tightening skin that has been approved by Health Canada. What makes it different? Well, Ulthera uses focused ultrasound, which we can use to target multiple depths in the skin. So not only is it targeting the dermis, which is the first layer where those collagen bundles exist, but we can actually target very specifically the deeper layers down to the fascia. It's that deeper target that allows for tightening of the collagen bundles and then the lift. So it's a super focused heat. Imagine like putting your jeans in the dryer. All of those collagen fibrils, just like the fibers of your jeans, they tighten up with the heat. And as the collagen bundles tighten over 2 to 6 months, we notice a lifting in the skin and improvement, particularly of the jowls or of the brows. We get a beautiful brow lift, and it's really something that's quite unique to Ulthera. What makes Ulthera Prime unique and why we decided to invest in this latest technology is that it has a very powerful processor. So when we're doing the treatments, the ultrasound image that we're seeing is in fact extremely clear, which makes it very precise in terms of where we lay down those heated columns. So the better we're at hitting the right target, the better results we're going to get. As well, with this newer technology, the treatment is in fact far more comfortable and it happens a lot faster. So this allows us to treat larger areas and makes the treatment a lot easier for patients. Another thing that we love about Altherra is it's safe for patients with all skin colors, including deeper tones. So it's very inclusive for everyone. Also, it's safe for people that have been out in the sun or are planning a sunny vacation. So it really can be done at any time without any downtime. So no bruising, no swelling, no breakdown of the skin epidermal barrier. What does the treatment feel like? It feels like tiny, hot little prickly needles on your skin. You're lying down, we make it relaxing, usually anywhere from 30 minutes to 1 hour. We try to make the process as easy as possible. And really, as soon as the treatment's over, you're ready to get up and go. You can carry on with your life and do whatever it is that you want to do. So really no downtime to it. I would say as far as intensity goes, it's probably about a 5 or a 6 out of 10. With this new Ulthera Prime, definitely it's going to be more comfortable. I've already had a treatment myself and found it to be really quite tolerable. For patients that have difficulty with pain, we do have tools here in the office to make it a lot more manageable, just so that you can get through it with ease. Is it worth it? I mean, I think it's worth it. I think the goal is, as much as possible, we want to avoid going under the knife and having to have a facelift as we get a little older. Doing things like Altherra on a regular basis can really help lift and tighten our faces. So who is this treatment for? I would say most people starting in the mid to late 30s, going all the way on through to the older age groups. Anyone who's feeling a little saggy and heaviness, people that really don't want to have surgery and have kind of made a decision that they don't want to undergo that. This is a great option for them. It's one of the only things that's actually going to lift and tighten your skin. As with everything that we bring into the practice, Marnie and I really believe in researching it very thoroughly. And if it's not something that we feel would be worth it, that we wouldn't do ourselves, we don't bring it in and we don't invest in it. So I had one of these treatments done myself. I found it actually to be very comfortable. With the older device, honestly, I did take pain medication. With this one, I didn't seem to need it, which was amazing. It was comfortable, it was easy, and actually what I really enjoyed, of course, was seeing the result. And with the screen and watching the ultrasound happening live as we're actually delivering the treatment, you can see how precise it is and exactly where that target is hitting. That's really satisfying. And as a dermatologist and a little bit of a nerd, I loved watching the areas on the ultrasound that had previously been treated, and you could see how much collagen was actually building in the skin. So for me, that was the hook, line, and sinker. If you're looking for some tightening, something that's easy and fast without any downtime that you can just pick up, come in, and walk out out and carry on with your life, it's a great option for you. Ulthera Prime is ready and available here at the clinic. If you're an existing patient, please give us a call. If you're new to us and you want some guidance, please come on in. And if you have any questions, if you're new to our channel, please leave any questions or comments below. We love to hear from you. We're always happy to help, to guide you, make sure you're making the right choices. Thanks for watching. See you soon.